Ever pondered on the enigma of your own existence? Ever wondered what it would take to unleash your inner prowess and chart the path to success? Well, the journey of self-discovery and finding success is not a destination, but a continuous process. It's a journey of 1,000 miles that begins with a single step. Step 1. Embark on a journey of self-discovery. This involves introspection, the examination of one's own conscious thoughts and feelings. Introspection can be a daunting task, but it's essential. It's about understanding your strengths, weaknesses, interests, and values. It's about knowing who you are, what you want, and where you want to go. Step 2. Set clear and realistic professional goals. Remember, a goal without a strategic plan easily becomes just an aspiration. So, after identifying your professional strengths and fields of interest, establish clear and attainable career objectives. These objectives should be in line with your aptitude and passion, and should be realistically achievable within your professional realm. They should not just challenge you, but also contribute to your career advancement and open up new job positions. By setting clear, realistic goals, you pave the way for quantifiable achievements and measurable professional growth. These goals should not shatter you, but rather build you, fostering your personal and professional development. Step 3. Take action. It's not enough to just set goals, you must take concrete steps to achieve them. This could involve acquiring new skills, seeking mentorship, or even changing your environment. But remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, so no matter how small, take that step. Step 4. Embrace failure. Yes, you heard it right. Embrace failure. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. Each failure is a lesson. It's an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to improve. So don't fear failure, embrace it, learn from it, and use it as a stepping stone to success. Step 5. Never stop learning. The world is constantly changing, and to stay relevant, you must keep learning. Never get complacent. Always seek to improve, always seek to learn. Because the moment you stop learning, you start losing. In summary, the journey of self-discovery and finding success is a continuous process. It involves introspection, setting clear and realistic goals, taking action, embracing failure, and continuous learning. Remember, this journey is not a sprint, but a marathon. It's not about reaching the finish line, but about enjoying the journey. So, embark on this journey. Discover yourself, find your success, and remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. The journey doesn't stop at learning, it's merely the beginning. So what happens when you never stop learning? Well, firstly, you stay relevant in a rapidly changing world. Our world is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and continuous learning ensures you're not left behind. Secondly, you continue to grow and improve, both personally and professionally. Every new piece of knowledge is a stepping stone towards a better version of yourself. Lastly, you open up new opportunities for success. The more you know, the more doors you can open. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep unlocking your potential. Remember, the journey to success is a never-ending road of learning.